And the top guy draws for your lead. Going west, moving up in between runners, then by the rail, Pure Grace Yakal, moving up on the outside, then racing in Peep Britney's Glory, followed by Boardwalk, and trailing the group is Yes King, past the 900 meters post, and going to the last 800, it's Yakal in command by about a length and a half. Going west, running by the rail, then on the outside, Pure Grace, top guy in fourth, then comes Britney's Glory, rounding at the last 600, Yakal still leading the field back to a length and a half lead, moving up on the outside to take second is Pure Grace, going west, drops back in third as they turn for home, Yakal about to throw the challenge on the outside is Pure Grace as they turn to the final 250. Three runners are fighting out for the lead with Yakal still leading the field. Pure Grace is on the outside going west by the rail. Yakal, Pure Grace is on the outside and going west. It's still Yakal, Pure Grace is on the outside. It's on the outside giving the final burst of energy. And finally Yakal close with Pure Grace. Then comes going west. Britney's Glory, Yes King, Tough Guy, and Boardwalk.